Hello, my name is Akesh Sohan, and I will be presenting a testbed development of an electric car drivetrain model. So shown right here is applying DC voltage and using a pulse width modulator. And as you increase the voltage between 1 and 5, the motor spins at different speeds. And at above 50% RPM, that is when the fan spins to cool the system. We also have an RFID reader that only authorizes one user um, to use the motor. As seen here, that's the correct user. It turns it off or on. And for our graphical user interface, we have a GUI built with MATLAB. It shows RPM and miles per hour and implements all our different sensors as well. And we'll show you a live demo. So if we turn our DC voltage and our motor turns on, you can see the gauges moving up. And here's the motor spinning. And you can see the distance incrementing as well in miles. Right now we have a water level sensor and white LEDs for normal, but this should turn blue because that means low coolant. And there you go, low coolant alarms enabled. Now if I put some water back, it should turn back to normal state. There we go. Now for our thermal management, we will heat up this temperature reader and it should light up the red LED and turn off the white LED. And there we go, and there it is. Turns on in the GUI. And now to show you how our battery works, it takes in a 9-volt battery as maximum. Right now we have it set to 12 volts, but let's say we set it to 5 volts, roughly about half. It should immediately drop, and you see the gauge dropping to about 50% there. And now for a load cell system, this models like a pedal in a car. With different distributed weights, it applies a specific amount of voltage, which in turn spins the motor slower or faster, respectively. So we put in a little bit of weight. Now you see the motor spinning a little bit, applying around 954 millivolts. Now increases faster as I increment the weight, about 2.3 volts. Increment it even more, and it's about max 5 voltage. You take off all the weight and it stops the motor. And that is our complete system. And here's a few extra components, such as a tilt sensor, so that if your vehicle tilts too much, it will shut down the motor because that's an emergency state. So yeah, that is our complete integrated project for the testbed development of an electric car drivetrain. Thank you.